Welcome, this is Ted from astroadvisor.com. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Saturday, March 28th, 2020. I wanted to share an updated daily chart for the E-mini S&P since we just got a turn higher. I was expecting on the 23rd, 24th of March. And on the chart are planetary support resistance levels for the sun. These are the green lines. And then Saturn, which are the blue lines. The sun lines are important because we just had the spring equinox, which is the beginning of spring when the sun entered Aries, beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere. And that was on midnight Eastern on the 19th. And then this bar that's colored blue is for the ingress of Saturn, which is another important planetary event. And that occurred over the weekend on the 21st. That was when Saturn left Capricorn and entered the sign of Aquarius. And then here's the low, which occurred on Monday, just above the sun lines, the green planetary support level right here. And here's the turn higher, which began on the new moon on the 24th. And it was an impressive rally. It took us all the way back up to this trend line I drew, almost to the trend line at 2634.50. Now I have two trend lines. One is this first one connecting the highs from the swing lower that began on March 3rd all the way down to the low on March 22nd. And then I have another trend line from this turn down at the around the 21st of February. So one good entry technique that begins to confirm a trend change is a simple break of a trend line. And as you can see, we got that here on Wednesday, on Tuesday, the 24th. And that confirmed an important reversal and trend change back up that extended into Friday before the market pulled back. Now the next point will be to break is this trend line extending down here, all the way down. And as you can see, it intersects the green line, which is resistance around 2580. So once we break this next trend line, this will begin to confirm a trend change to even higher levels. And what are the targets? Well, on the upside, I have 2820 to 2940, and that's the next important level to watch. I would expect a reaction there, or another pullback from this level. And support now is extends all the way here from like 25 down to 2460. If we break 2460, that would be a new sell signal, and we could be coming back down, making a bigger retracement, even retesting the lows. So we need to watch that level here at 2460. Now, the next important planetary event is just around the corner, and that's on Monday the 30th and Tuesday the 31st. On Monday the 30th, Mars is also going to change signs, leave the sign of Capricorn and enter Aquarius. And then on Tuesday the 31st, Mars is going to form a conjunction to Saturn. They're going to come together at the early degrees of Aquarius. So there's two scenarios. If the market pulls back, another 2-day pullback, that can be another setup for a low and opportunity to go long again, probably on April 1st. And if that doesn't play out and the market continues to advance and breaks this trend line, the rally could extend another couple of days before it stalls. And that means we could get a rally extending into Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. But at this point, since we're below the trend line and the market began to turn down on Friday, I'm leaning towards another pullback for a couple of days. So the decision point will be on Wednesday, April 1st, and it's a good opportunity to either buy the pullback or sell the next rally. And here are the support resistance levels on the way up. And on the downside, if we break down below 2460, this is another possibility. 2220 back down to even 2100. So there you have it. Here's an updated chart. And wish everybody good health and prosperity and good trading.